Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 16.1 of chapter 16, that is playing with numbers. So let's see our sixth question. This is AB multiplied by 5 should be equal to CAB. So again we can see this 5 into B should be equal to B. That means this B and B should be same here. And second is 5 into A should be equal to A. So whatever digit we are putting here, so for this number one's digit should be same. So let's first check this. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So we are putting this as B. So this is not same. So this is not possible. If I put 0, so then I can say that 0 and 0 are same. So 5 into 2, this is 10. So this and this is not same. Okay. Similarly 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. But when I put 5 into 5 as 25, so this digit and this digit can be same. So 5 into 6 is 30, 7 is 35, 8, 40. So we will not get same number. So I can see that either it should be 0 or it should be 5. So we have B as 0 or 5. So B can be either 0 or 5. We will decide what is it. Second question is 5 into A should be equal to CA. So again 5 into 1, see if I put 0, this will become 0. So A cannot be 0, then C we have not calculated, so this cannot be possible. If I put 5 into 1, okay, so this is 5. So again we can say if I write this C and A can be 5, but we have not obtained any value of C. But this is not possible because if they are given us C, we should have some value of C. We cannot skip it. So this is not possible. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So see here, we need A and A as same. So 2 and 0 not same. So 5 into 3, this is 15. So again not same. 5 into 4, this is 20, again not same. So 5 into 5 is 25, yes it is same. So 5 into 6 if you will do, this is 30, not same. 5 into 7 is 35, 7 and 5 are not equal. 5 into 8 is 40. So 8 and 0 is not equal. 5 into 9 is 45. So 9 and 5 are not equal. So that means the only possible value is this one. So if I use this A as 5, let's see what we will get. So we have these two options for B and A as only one option, that is 5. So let's put the both values. This is AB. Let us first put B as 0. So multiplied by 5. So 0 into 5 is 0. 5 into 5 is 25. So let's check. This B is 0. This also B. Yes, it is 0. This A I have taken as 5. This A and this A should match. Yes, 5 and 5 is same. And this C is 2. Okay. So this can be the correct answer. Let's check other value also. If A is 5 and B is also 5, 5 into 5 is 25 and 2 is carry. 5 into 5 is 25 plus 27. So now when you verify this B is 5, this B should also be here. Yes, we have. This A is 5. Yes, and once we are calculating this, same A should come here. But see, because of this carry, now this is 7, not 5. So this cannot be the correct solution. Okay. So what are the possible values then? A should be equal to 5 and B should be equal to 0. Correct? So this is our sixth question. Now let's see the seventh one. A, B multiplied by 6 should be equal to B, B, B. Means same digit should come here. Okay. So 6 into B should be equal to B and 6 into A should be equal to BB. Okay. So again this digit and this digit should be same. So if we take 6 into 0, 0 as 0. So yes, we can have B as 0. If I put B equals to 0, so this is 6 into 0 is 0. These two are same. Okay. But if this is 0, 0, 0, 0, all are 0. So obviously that will not be the solution. So let's see the next one. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So we have this B and this B as same. But we are putting 1 and we are getting 6. So this is not possible. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. 6 into 2 as 12. So this and this is same. Okay, so that means B can have 2. So let's write it here. So B can be 2. Now let's move on to the next one. So this is 6 into 3 as 18. So 3 and 8 are not same. 6 into 4, 24. See, these two digits are again same. So B can be 4 also. So 6 into 5, 30. So we are not getting 5. But if I use 6 into 6, this can be again possible because both are 6. So 6 is also possible. Then 6 into 7 is 42. So no digits are coming same. 6 into 8, 48. So these two are again same. Okay. So that means 8 is also an option. So now coming back to these 4 possible values, let us see which value will be satisfied here. So 6 into A should give me BB. That means let's check first. Let it be A. I'll put B as 2 multiplied by 6 and answer should be B, B, B means 222. Okay. So 6 into 2 is 12. That means 1 carry is there. Okay. So A into 6. So I need 22. Okay. So but with carry 1. That means if I put 6 into 1 as 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. It's not same. 6 into 2 as 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Again not same. 6 into 3 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So not same. 6 into 4 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So when we put A as 4, our answer exceeded our given possible answer. So that means A is equal to 2 is not possible. Let's move on to the second value of B. That is if I put A and 4 here into 6. So if my B is 4, answer should be 444. Okay. Again put the values. Let us suppose, see, 6 into 4 is 24. So that means definitely carry will be 2. Okay. So now put the values. I'll explain. 6 into 1. Okay. 6 into 1 plus carry is 2. Okay. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we don't get 44. Let's put the next value. 6 into 2 plus 2. This is 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Again not same. 6 into 3 plus 2. So 18 plus 2 is 20. No, we should get 44. Either we should get 44 or the value should exceed this number. Then that means that digit is not possible. So we will move to the next one. So 6 into 4 plus 2. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Again not same. Plus 2. 30 plus 2 is 32. 6 into 6 plus 2. 36 plus 2 is 38. 6 into 7 plus 2. So 6 7s are 42 and we get 44. So means if I put, see this is 6 into A. So this is 6 into A plus 2 should be equal to B. Okay. So if you put A as 7, we get answer as 44. So what are the correct answers? This is A should be equal to 7 and B we have put 4. So A equal to 7 and B should be equal to 4. Okay. So this is our 7th question. So let's move on to the 8th one. This is quite simple. 8th question, that is A1 plus 1B is equal to B0. So 1 plus B should be equal to 0. And second is A plus 1 should be equal to B. So now I can see that 1 plus something should be equal to 0. We can see here that something should be added to 1 to get answer as 0. So 0 is not possible. So next number should be 10. So something should be added with 1 to get answer as 10. That is 1 plus something should be equal to 10. So this should be our B. That is 9. So if this is 9, this will also be 9. So let's check here. A, 1, 1 and B I have calculated as 9. Okay. So this 0 will come. This carry will go here. And this is B again. So this thing. This B. So 9 will again come. So now we can see 1 plus A plus 1 should be equal to 9. That is 1 plus A plus 1 is 9. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus A as 9. So what is A then? 9 minus 2, 7. So this A is 7. You can check whether your answer is correct. A I have got as 7. So 71 and 1. B is 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10 and this. Okay. See, A 7. B and B, this should match. 9 and 9 is same. So what is the values of A and B then? A equals to 7 and B equals to 9. Okay. So this is our 8th question. Now let's move on to the 9th one. So let's see our 9th question. This is 2AB plus AB1 should be equal to B1 and 8. So this should be like B plus 1 should be equal to 8. So B plus 1 should be 8. A plus B should be 1. And 2 plus A should be equal to B. So we can see that B plus 1 should be A. Then what should be B? That is 8 minus 1 is 7. So possibility of B is 7. So let's see, this is B equals to 8 minus 1. So this is 7. So this B can be replaced with 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Now A plus B. We got B as 7. That is A plus B is 7 should be equal to 1. So again, when we add something to 7, we cannot get 1. We will get 11. Okay, so it should be 11. So 4 plus 7 is 11. So that means A is equal to 11 minus 7 is 4. So A can be replaced with 4. This is our 7. Okay. So now let us see what we have got. This is 2. A is 4. B is 7. And A, this is A. Okay. A we have already got as 4. B is 7 and this is 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 7 is 11. 1 is carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So now we will compare. See this two. A should be same. Yes, we have 4, 4. Then B and B should be same. 7 and 7. And this B, again same number should come here. So we can see 7, 7, 7. So this is our correct answer. So what is A and B? A is 4 and B should be 7. Correct? So now let's see the last question of this exercise. This is A plus B should be equal to 9. 2 plus A should be equal to 0 and 1 plus 6 should be equal to A. Okay. Since this has two different letters, so we will not solve this. We can start with this or this. So 2 plus A means something when we add to 2, we cannot get 0, we will get is 10. So that means 2 plus A should be equal to 10. Then what is the value of A? This is 10 minus 2 as 8. So that means the chances of A can be 8. Now let's see if we put A as 8, whether we get all the values or not. This is 1, 2. A is now 8. So we will write 8 here. This is 6. Again 8. So I will write 8 here. And this is B. So B we have not calculated yet. So we cannot put any value. Okay. So here we should get A. A is 8. So this should be 8. This should be 0. And this should be 9. So now let's see. Something should be added with B to get 9. That is, here also 8 plus B is equal to 9. Then what is B? This is 9 minus 8 as 1. So this means B can be equal to 1. If I put this 1 here, so let's see. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. So this means our values are correct. So what is the value of A and B? A we have got 8 and B as 1. Okay. I hope this question is clear to you. With this question, this exercise is over. I hope all the questions are clear to you. See you in my next video with the next topic of this chapter. Thank you.